If you're tying the knot soon and the thought of your first dance makes you want to hide, I've got just the thing for you. Welcome, lovebirds, to a wedding dance revolution. Today's video is all about mastering your wedding dance in just 14 days. That's right, no need for months of dance classes or stepping on each other's toes, a lot. You're probably wondering, why this course? Well, for starters, it's perfect for beginners. That means even if your dance skills are limited to awkward swaying, this course has you covered. It's also budget friendly, only $48, and offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, there's literally no risk. Listen to this. Amelia and Samuel said, the material was so well thought out, it made learning a breeze without any dance background. And Lila and John added, we gained confidence not just for the wedding, but for any occasion. What you will learn. Day 1. Begin with mastering leading, following, and perfecting your posture for smooth movement in any direction. Day 2. Learn slow dance fundamentals, including sway, rotation, and turns, to sync with the rhythm naturally. Days 3 to 4. Explore the basics of waltz and bachata, progressing from simple steps to more advanced turns, making you feel like royalty on the dance floor. Day 5. Focus on practicing and combining all you've learned, letting the music guide your movements. Days 6 to 7. Master various turns and spins, including underarm and spot turns, with ease. Days 8 to 9. Learn to part and rejoin gracefully, adding romantic sways and smooth steps to your repertoire. Days 10 to 11. Achieve elegant, Instagram-worthy poses like head rolls and dips to enhance your wedding photos. Days 12 to 13. Build confidence with lifts, tailored to your skill level. Day 14. Seamlessly combine all the moves you've learned, creating a fluid and impressive dance routine. You get all love freebies, right? This course comes with bonus gifts like wedding dance playlists and cheat sheets. Plus, get 3 example choreographies in different styles. Who knew learning to dance could be this fun and easy? Now, let's talk about who's guiding you through this dance journey. Gabrielius and Claudia, seasoned dance champions. They've got 22 years of professional dancing between them and over 900 hours of teaching. If anyone can make you dance, it's these two. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're a beginner or just looking for some fun, this course is your ticket to a spectacular first dance. Sign up, give it a whirl, and who knows, maybe you'll discover a love for dancing in the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing content. Dance your way into your happily ever after.